Hi guys, welcome back to Sew with Abby channel. This video is about making this beautiful sleeve. If this is what you are interested in, then keep watching and let's get started. These are the materials I want to make use of. A pattern paper which I already used to draft out a sleeve pattern, you can see, then scissors, then a pen or a marker, whatever you can use that will make a mark, then a ruler. So I'll open the drafted sleeve, and then the first thing I'll be doing is to rule lines. So the first line I'll rule is the mid line. I'll divide it and then I'll start ruling the other lines, ensuring that all the lines end here, not scattered. Okay, you can see all the lines ended at this point. So the next thing I'm going to do is to cut it out. I'll be cutting it out completely. You can see I'm cutting it, but for the mid part I'll cut it out completely, and then I'll cut the other side as well. After cutting it out, I'll place it on my fabric, and then I'm going to arrange it on the fabric. You're going to see how I'm going to do it. You can see I'm already arranging it on the fabric. Alright, this is it, and I used pin to hold the pattern paper against the fabric. A paper tape or a C tape can also be used. After doing this, the next thing I'll do is to take my ruler, and then I'm going to rule a straight line at this down part, and then I'll rule the straight line at the upper part as well. After ruling the straight line, I'm going to cut it out. Our sleeve is almost ready. Then I'll remove the pattern paper from the fabric. Alright, so I'll just locate the middle, and then I'm going to gather it down like that, and then I'll take a piece of the fabric and then hold it at the middle part, and then you can see the sleeve is forming like that. Look at it. So I'm just going to remove the piece, and then I'll go and turn this upper part in, and then the down part as well. I'm going to turn it in. This is the armhole and this is the side, so I don't need to turn that one in, just the upper part and then the down part. And this is the final outcome. This will go into the sleeve, and this is the side. And that ends the tutorial. If you find this tutorial helpful, kindly like and share, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification so that whenever I drop new videos you will be notified. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.